like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Ha, 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 ha. Hi kids, I'm a little bit tired now, and welcome to our Mini Miracles YouTube channel. I was hopping. You know what happened in our Mini Miracles nursery summer fun day, because it was a sunny day. It was really hot outside, and some children did hopping race. But by the time they have finished, they were super tired. So they were huffing and puffing, saying just like me now, because they were really tired. And today, but I'm a little bit tired, but still I'm going to teach you one more little sound. So today we are going to learn sound hat, hop, hat, hip. Today I'm going to teach you sound This is sound and letter H. This is sound and letter H. Sound and letter H. Sound letter H. Hat, hip, hop, hen. Sound This is sound hat, hip, hen, hop. Sound You can practice sound you have to hold your hand up to your mouth and say Can you do it? And if you watch my all video up to now, and if you watch all my phonics lessons, you guys can read some small sentences now. Did you realize that? No? Oh yes, because we have learned so many sounds up to now. I think 8 or 9 sounds, and two blending sounds as well. So with those sounds you can read small sentences. Parents, did you realize that they can read sentences? Did you notice? Okay, if you don't, please now you can encourage them and you can help them to read these sentences. This is we learn sound. It and it, is, a. It is a. It is a cat. It is a hat. It is a hen. It is a hip. See? It is a cat. It is a hen. It is a hat. Your child can read these small sentences because we learned all these sounds. So now they are able to read these sentences. I'm really proud of you guys. So parents, please encourage them to read more and more. You also can practice with them, and definitely they can read more and more. Today we learn sound we learn sound h, 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 h for hip, h, ip, hip, h, ip, hip, hip. And today we learn sound h, and you can read now h, e, n, hen, h, e, n, hen, h, e, n, hen, hen. See, now you can read this sentence, right? See, if I hold it together, look, it is a hen, it is a hen, it is a hen. Because your child knows all these sounds now, so they can read, so they can blend all sounds together and read the sentence. It is a hen, so you can add it is a cat, it is a hat. You can add more words here and let them read it. Okay, parents and children, would you like to hop again with me? So, I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Ha, 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 ha. Would you like to do that? Okay, you can hop with me, right? Before that, what you have to do, as I always saying, like, sharing is caring, children. So you have to share this video with your friends and ask them to subscribe our Mini Miracles YouTube channel. So, and also ask them to watch all my phonics videos, so then they also can read these sentences. So you have to have them as well. Okay guys, okay, then let's hop together. Okay, stand up, and what you have to do while you're hopping, you have to hold your hand up to your mouth and say as if you are out of your breath. Okay, so let's do it together. You have to lift your one leg up and hop. Hold your hand up to your mouth and hop. 1, 2, 3. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Bye bye, children.